my name is Ghost Elektra. I'm a French drag performer and event producer originally from Paris, but now based in Berlin. So those are my tips and tricks, things not to do and things to do if you want to change up your makeup. I based the don't makeup on my previous makeup tips, the way I used to do my makeup a few years ago. For brows, make sure not to draw your brows too high up because you're gonna have a wig, and if you draw your brows too high, they're gonna be too close to your wig and it doesn't look natural. Make sure to ombre the root of your brow for a more natural look. For highlight, make sure not to use too harsh of a line. Use an eyeshadow and blend it down to your crease for a more natural look. So for crease, you can follow the beginning of your brow bone, but don't follow it all the way till the end because it's gonna make your eyes look droopy. So start following your brow bone and then draw it up to lift the eye. For nose contour, don't follow the natural shape of your nose. Make sure to draw a line inwards to pinch the nose and make it look smaller. For cheek contour, make sure to draw your contour high up as to lift the cheekbone. If you have a square jaw, don't follow the natural shape. Make sure to draw a rounded shape for a more feminine look. I didn't use eyeliner, I used eyeshadow, and I made sure to start from over the outer corner of my lid. Don't cut the crease too high, but rather follow the eyelid. So I used purple shimmery shadow on my lid, but I made sure to transition into white as to open the eyes. Underneath the liner, I left a blank space as to open the eyes and lift them up. If you use eyeliner, make sure not to draw too thick of a line and make sure to draw it upwards to lift the eye. Make sure to cut your false lashes to the size of your lids and don't follow your lash line but rather glue them upwards to avoid a droopy eye. For blush, don't use too harsh of a color and don't apply it too low or else you'll look like a clown. Rather, use a soft tone and apply it to the apple of your cheek. Of course, you can overdraw your lip, but make sure to meet the outer corner of your natural lip or else it will look cartoony. Thank you for watching. See you next time.